Story at this hour. New alliance is taking shape in Bengal, giving West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee a migraine. Influential Furfura Sharif chief cleric Abbas Siddiqui has floated a new political outfit that's called the Indian Secular Front. AIMIM chief, who has also jumped into the poll fray, has backed Abbas Sharif. The new entry is expected to eat into TMC's Muslim vote bank. The TMC calls Siddiqui BJP stooge. However, the BJP has denied these claims. Bengal BJP leaders say that in a free country, anyone is allowed to take the political plunge.
डेमोक्रेसी में जो कुछ का ये मर्जी है ये करने सकता है तो अब्बास सिद्दीकी इज ए यंग बॉय ही फ्लोट इज पार्टी लेट इट गो मुस्लिम हिंदू का नहीं है एक पार्टी फ्लोट कर रहा है सो लेट अस सी
I can say with a degree of certitude that what Mr. Abbas Siddiqui is doing is his right to do whatever he feels like. It's his constitutional right. But it does not affect the BJP in any way. This is not a question which should be addressed to the BJP. I don't think Abbas Siddiqui is going to take away our vote share.
टीएमसी को क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुस्लिम वोट उनका जमींदारी है, उनका मोनोपोली है? मुसलमान कब आज़ाद होंगे हमारे देश के? क्यों अपना विकास की तरफ देख के वोट नहीं देते हैं? या तो कुछ इमाम के बात पर या कुछ खास नेता जो खरीदे हुए हैं वो मुसलमान समाज को संचालित करते हैं। इसलिए बंगाल के मुसलमान समाज देश में सबसे पिछड़े हैं। ये मेरा नहीं है, सचार कमेटी की रिपोर्ट है। इसीलिए अगर किसी को लगे कोई दल बनाए तो बना सकते हैं। लोकतंत्र में किसी को मना नहीं कर सकते हैं।
Let's go right across to Shreyasi, who's joining us live. Shreyasi, this is in fact something that has sparked off a massive controversy there in West Bengal with the TMC and the BJP trading barbs on this issue.
Well, that's right. And Madhavi, we talk about the hold of Furfura Sharif. It does have a sizable amount of minority backing, just not in Hooghly district where it is located, but also in Murshidabad, Malda, South Dinajpur, even South 24 Parganas. So it has an influence over the minority in several districts in West Bengal. And if we talk about the 30% minority vote share here in West Bengal, it has primarily always helped Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. If we talk about 2016 state assembly elections, the minority vote bank helped Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to a certain extent. Now, with Abbas Siddiqui floating his own party becomes even more significant because when Asaduddin Owaisi made a surprise visit to West Bengal, he went and met Abbas Siddiqui at Furfura Sharif, and thereafter when he spoke to the media, he very clearly said that he will be fighting polls keeping Abbas Siddiqui in front, which means that the AIMIM will be also backing Abbas Siddiqui here in West Bengal. Now, at a time like that, what becomes important is that whether or not this will hurt the Trinamool Congress's vote bank dividends. Now, of course, Abbas Siddiqui has said that right now he's still assessing how many candidates he will be giving across the state. But he says that so far he wants to fight on 294 seats. That's all the seats here in West Bengal. He will not fight elections, but he will be the leader. But keeping in mind that this comes
we will have to see really what